Should you add gutter cleaning to your list of available services for your exterior cleaning company? Let's get into it. This job that we had on our gutter cleaning route last Saturday paid $250. This was one of the gutter cleanings out of the 5 that we did. 4 out of the 5 had similar pricing. One of the gutter jobs was just a second-story gutter, about 40 feet long, that the homeowner didn't feel comfortable up on a ladder to do herself. All of the gutter cleaning jobs that we had that day took a similar amount of time, the longest one being a huge 2-story brick house that took us about an hour and 35 minutes. So using some elementary math, you can see how profitable this can be, especially if you're comfortable up on a roof. If you're just moving a ladder from section to section to section, might not be the most lucrative option for you. How to get these jobs? Let's talk about it. I'm not well versed in digital advertising on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Google. However, Zach has a lot more experience in this regard, so he's the one that handled getting these jobs to the table. Essentially, what his strategy was is he blasted an advertisement to the wealthier areas surrounding Indianapolis. You run this ad for 5, 7, maybe 10 days, and after you compile 10, 12, 15 leads, then you devise a plan. And that plan typically consists of a whole weekend or a whole day of route cleaning. So we organize these jobs in the most efficient way we see fit as far as driving from one location to another. And then it's all history. It's all up to you to show up and do what you said you were going to do.